Do not pay with your phone until you turn this off. Right now, Chrome on your Android can save your cards and the security code on the back. That means a stolen phone or the wrong app can finish a payment without you typing a thing. You probably turned this on without meaning to. Let me show you exactly where it is. And don't worry, this one is step by step, so pause me anytime. I'm not going anywhere. Let's start. Open Chrome on your Android. Take your time. When Chrome is open, look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 small dots. Tap those 3 dots. Now tap Settings. Give it a second to open. Stream down slowly until you see Payment Methods. See it? Good. Tap Payment Methods. You're on the dangerous screen now. Look for a switch called Save Security Codes. Sometimes it says Save CVCs or Security Codes. That code is the 3 numbers on the back of your card. It's supposed to stay in your head, not sitting inside Chrome. If that switch is on, turn it off right now. Stay on this same screen. Now look for Verify It's You to Autofill Payment Methods. On some Androids it says Confirm Identity for Autofill of Payment Details. Same idea. By default, this is often off. That means anyone holding your unlocked phone can check out with your card. Turn this switch on. From now on, Chrome has to ask for your fingerprint, face unlock, or screen lock before it fills a card. 1 screen, 2 moves. Cards are harder to steal. Still in Chrome settings, if you still see a switch called Save Payment Methods and you don't want Chrome remembering new cards, turn that off too. You can always type the number when you trust the site. Now go back 1 screen. You're back in Chrome settings. Short and tap Addresses and More. Give it a second. If Save Addresses is on, Chrome is storing your home, your delivery address, and sometimes your phone number. Turn Save Addresses off. Yes, checkout takes 2 extra seconds. That's the point. Speed is how this stuff gets left open. Last one, the one that actually scares me. Chrome is only half the story. Your Android has a system autofill service that can fill passwords and payments across apps, not just the browser. So leave Chrome. Go to your Android settings. Take your time getting there. Once you're in, scroll down slowly and look for Google or Google Services. On some phones, it's Passwords, Passkeys, and Accounts, or Autofill Service. See Google? Tap it. Then look for All Services. Tap into Autofill with Google. Give it a second to load. Now check 2 things. First, which service is filling your info? If you see a name you don't recognize, that's a problem. Switch it to Google or your password manager only, something you chose on purpose. Second, open Payment Methods or the Payments section inside Google. Look at every card on that list. If you see a card you don't use anymore, remove it. Less cards saved means less damage if the phone ever leaves your hand. That's it. Kill the security codes in Chrome. Force identity check before autofill. Stop address hoarding. Clean Android autofill and old cards. 3 settings, done. Your next payment should ask for you, not hand itself to whoever holds the phone. Drop a comment. Was Save Security Codes already turned on? Reply yes or no. I want to know how common this is. And here's the thing. Locking payments means nothing if an app can still read the bank codes inside your text messages. I show you the exact 3 settings for that in this next video. Click it right now. I'll see you in there.